How many of you watching this are looking for that perfect system, for that system that's just going to change your trading fortunes and turn you from a trader that's losing money to a trader that's making money? Or better still, how many of you out there haven't even started trading yet because you're still in search of that perfect system? You've been testing a bunch of systems, something's not quite right, you're looking for a particular win rate. Maybe you're looking for a strategy that's going to give you an 80% win rate. You found one that's got a 78% win rate, but you're just striving for the one that the perfect system that meets all of your criteria. I reckon that, if you're honest with yourselves, most of you are actually in this situation, or you have been at one point in time or another. But in this video right here, I want to talk to you about why looking for the perfect system really is not the right way to go about making money trading any market. But before we get into it, as always, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. It'll make me happy, and I try to put out good content that's useful to you all. So subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell so that you get a notification as and when I release a new video. Okay, so why should you not look for the perfect trading system? Why, if you're looking for a trading system that gives you an 80% win rate, why should you actually accept the one that only gives you a 76% win rate? And the reason for that is that strategies and systems, when you're testing them and things like that, they give you some statistics on how well you'll do, which is absolutely great. You will then sit there and go into that sort of theoretical world of, if I make X amount per month, then I'm going to quadruple my account in whatever time frame it is that you're looking to quadruple your account. But actually the truth is that by focusing on finding the perfect system, you're not spending enough time on what's really going to matter and what's going to count and what's going to give you longevity as a trader, trading, the Forex markets, trading the football markets, whichever markets it is that you trade. And that is actually the action, the practice of taking the trades, of putting on the trades and closing them and getting that experience of having money on the table. Because I promise you, you can find your 80% winning trading system. The problem is that when you actually get into the live markets and it comes to taking a loss and, executing trades, you'll find that 80% quickly drops to 70%, not necessarily because the strategy still doesn't work or the strategy doesn't work, but because your ability to execute according to a plan, your ability to, execute your trading plan when you're experiencing all of the emotions that trading throws at you, obviously it isn't there. You don't have that ability. So I say that yes, obviously look for a trading system that is going to give you a decent win rate. That goes without saying. You need a trading strategy that is overall profitable. But looking for that perfect system and not willing to accept anything less than your specific and your exact criteria isn't really going to enhance your trading results. What's going to do it is time in the markets, is actually practicing this stuff, practice making the decisions. And once you can do that, you'll find that it doesn't really matter what trading system it is that you're utilizing, because you have the right mindset. You understand how to act when you're under fire. You understand how to act when you're in the trenches, taking losses, taking trades, making mistakes and some executions and things like that. That ability right there is going to enhance your trading results and allow you to trade any trading strategy that you want out there. I mean, if you give me a trading strategy now, as long as it's a profitable trading strategy, I'll be able to make money from it. But that's because I've been trading various different types of markets for the last, nearly 2 decades now. So I understand that a strategy is really just a means of getting into and out of the market. Where it really counts, what's going to make a difference to your trading overall is what's up here. Okay, that's your experience in the markets, your mental fortitude, and your ability to execute according to a plan, according to the strategy that you laid out for yourselves. Okay, so the message from this video here is don't go for perfect. Accept that less than perfect is good enough. You just want to be able to generate profits. And as long as you can generate profits, it doesn't really matter whether the strategy that you're trading has an 80% win rate, a 50% win rate, or a 90% win rate. What we're looking for is a balance between the win rate and the risk to reward ratio. And then crucially, your ability to actually execute that strategy when real money is on the line. Because I've seen it happen so many times before where there's a fantastic strategy out there and it makes money, but the person utilizing that strategy, they just can't make money from it. And when you go back and you look at, you analyze their trades and look at what they've done in the markets, you realize that, yes, they set out with the idea of executing according to the strategy, but the trades that they've taken bears no resemblance to the strategy that they're trying to implement. Okay, and that's because they act on their gut, they act emotionally, and they just don't execute according to the plan and the strategy that they laid out for themselves. So, don't go in there. Don't put all of your life savings into a trading account and just start trading because I've said go and start trading. But at least open up a small trading account and at least get used to putting money into the markets and start, executing any profitable trading strategy and not wait for that perfect one. Because if you're waiting for that perfect one, it might never happen. You might never find that strategy. Okay, I hope that made sense to you all. I know that this wasn't a strategy video itself, but I think that these things, they are just as important in terms of getting your mind into the right place, because I could give you strategies all day long. But as I said here, if you're not actually used to executing in the live markets, then it's not going to do you any good. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit the bell so that you get a notification when I release new videos. Post any comments or any questions that you have about trading in general beneath the video here. I'm usually more active towards the front end of the video. So, within the first couple of days of the video being released, I'll be more active on that particular video. I will try my best to answer all of your questions. But yeah, otherwise have a fantastic day and I'll speak to you in the next video. Take care.